Imagine you are floating in space, not in a ship, not in a suit, just you, suspended in silence, surrounded by the most beautiful thing you have ever seen. Stars. A spiral of light so perfect it looks painted. And then you notice it, a circle of pure darkness at the center. Stars near its edge are bending, warping, curving toward it like they're afraid. You try to move away. You can't. You crossed the line 3 seconds ago. You just didn't know it yet. And right now, there is nothing in the universe, no force, no physics, no miracle that can save you. From a distance, a black hole doesn't look threatening. It looks like art. The first real image ever captured, released in 2019 by the Event Horizon Telescope, showed a glowing orange ring, almost warm, almost inviting. The internet called it the Eye of God. That's the cruelest trick the universe plays on you. Because the thing at the center of that ring is a point where all known physics collapses, where time stops, where space itself folds like wet paper. But here's the problem. That beautiful ring is the event horizon, the point of no return. By the time you see it clearly enough to appreciate it, you've already lost. The black hole at the center of our galaxy has a mass 4 million times that of our sun, collapsed into a single point. But M87 star, the one from that famous photo, is 6.5 billion solar masses. Its event horizon alone is larger than our entire solar system. Now, imagine falling toward one. As you approach, the gravitational pull on your feet becomes measurably stronger than the pull on your head. First, it feels like stretching. Then, every cell in your body is being pulled in 2 directions at once. Scientists call this spaghettification. And that word sounds almost funny until you understand it means you'd be stretched, alive, into a thread of particles. Not an explosion, not a flash. A slow, terrible elongation until nothing is left of you. But it gets worse, because time itself starts to break. Einstein showed us that gravity warps time. Near a black hole, time nearly stops. If someone watched you fall in from a safe distance, they'd see you freeze. Your last moment stretched across billions of years. You'd become a ghost, hovering at the edge of the event horizon forever, in their sky. You, however, would cross the threshold in seconds. And then there would be no more seconds. You don't even have to fall in to die. In 2020, astronomers watched a black hole shred a star in real time. A star the size of our sun, stretched, ripped apart, and consumed over the course of months. The energy released was equivalent to detonating 100 million nuclear bombs every second for an entire year. They detected the flash from over 200 million light-years away. Some black holes also fire jets. Focused beams of plasma accelerated to nearly the speed of light, blasted across thousands of light-years. A jet pointed at Earth from 10,000 light-years away would strip our atmosphere in seconds. No warning, no time to react. By the time you saw the light, it would already be over. And this is where things change, because we can't even see most of them coming. We can only detect black holes when they're active, feeding on something, or passing in front of a light source. A black hole, drifting silently through empty space, nearly invisible. And there are an estimated 100 million of them in our galaxy alone. 100 million gravitational traps, untracked, uncharted. In 2022, NASA confirmed the first wandering black hole ever detected. No companion star, no accretion disk, no signal. Pure luck that we found it at all, because it briefly bent the light of a background star. It was 5,000 light-years away. Not a threat. But its existence proved the galaxy is full of invisible killers we cannot follow. And at the center of every black hole is a singularity, a point of infinite density where every equation we have ever written reaches the edge of the page and falls off. We don't know what happens there, we can't. No information escapes to tell us. The singularity is the only place in the universe where reality could be doing literally anything, and we have no way to ask it. We've had the math to understand black holes for about 100 years. In that sliver of cosmic time, we looked up and found objects that shred stars, bend time, fire death rays across galaxies, and wander invisibly through our neighborhood, containing zones of reality our best physics cannot describe. We built nothing to protect us from them. We can't. We don't even know where most of them are. Somewhere right now, a star is making its last mistake. Getting too close. The gravity is taking hold, and soon another black hole will be born. Silent, invisible, patient, adding itself to the 100 million others already moving through the dark. The universe was not designed to be safe. It was not designed at all. It just is vast, indifferent, and full of things that will never know you existed. That void you saw at the beginning of this video, the one that looked almost beautiful, it still is. That's the worst part.